the major roles where we are into this networking and into FMS business as well as into MNC businesses. Major client areas are corporate as well as banking segments. In banking, we are with networking projects and network supports. Whereas in corporates, we are into FMS, providing manpowers as well as into AMC business. We offer major clients are Shoppers Stop, Bajaj Auto Limited, Bajaj Finance. We are also authorized service partners for HP and IBM. Okay, and we have our presence across pan India with a strength of around 2,500 employees. And presently, our turnover is more than 15 crores. We are expecting in the next another 5 years 100 crores turnover. Thank you.
Jetking Jain Road activity, how it is beneficial for you to fulfillment of your manpower requirement?
When there are jetking activity, this road activity, when we consider it, it can be divided into two categories. One is a fresher category and one is an experienced category. When it comes to fresher, we need to train those students. And what is our expectation is once we train those students, those candidates should at least keep a commitment of 1 year. It is a sort of a on-job training. And when it comes to an experienced candidate, definitely the benefits are more as compared to their experiences. We get a better.
How is your past experience with jetking students?
Past experience with jetking is, I myself am a jetking student. From jetking Nasik, I have done my hardware networking course. I started my career by selling a flop. Okay, and at that instance, I used to get 500 rupees. That was my salary at that in 1996. Okay, and presently I am the regional service delivery head for entire Maharashtra and both. So I built up my career throughout jetking. If I take myself, this jetking is, I have quite a good valuation for jetking, as well as whatever the students I get from the jetking, they are definitely have a better response.
What are your expectations from the students?
Expectations from the student is they should have a basic core hardware knowledge first of all. Their soft skills, their approaches and their commitments should develop. Especially when we speak of the core hardware knowledge, they should have the total technical concept knowledge. Even if they are a fresher, the basic logic is clear to them. They automatically grow.
Say something about Jetking Jain Road.
Jetking Jain Road I've been visiting Jetking Jain Road for various job fairs and various of my manpower requirements since the last 3 years. And I've been getting quite a good response. Getting few of my associates.
Thank you very much. Give the brief introduction about your company.
To tell you about 3i Tech, yes, it is one of the top 15 companies of India with respect to IT, and it's one of the ICSA food companies. And yes, when you say with respect to Mango, it's 10,000 plus organization. Main business is towards IT infrastructure and software. And within a span of 10 years, it has spread across its operations into more than 53 countries across the world. So what we are looking exactly is from Jetking, if you ask me. Jetking has got the main process and with respect to infrastructure. So we cater to services like domestic support, then networking and all. So there is a good pool of talent in Jetking, CCNA, CCNA, etc. So yes, so that's what we are looking up from Jetking. and mainly like we are having like hub which is coming up, the main hub which is coming up in Hyderabad, and it is in India across, you name any state, 3i Infotech is there. You name any place in India, 3i Infotech is having its operation. Same way, you name any banking organization in the world, it's either using 3i products or 3i services. So that widespread is 3i.
Checking JM Road activity, how it is beneficial for you in case of fulfillment of your manpower requirement?
See, this would be like mainly towards the fresher requirements what I'm looking out for over there. Because till now I've not yet come across anybody who is having experience. Okay, so fresher requirements, yes, there Jet King would be like really taking care of them. Will be taking care of many requirements. And there are like training requirements also.
How is your past experience with Jet King students?
I would say in a rating of like 5-point scale, I would rate somewhere around like 3, because like there have been cases wherein like people join in and they refuse to continue. But that's where actually Jet King has to take one step forward and make them understand when you're joining with a brand, it's not only them, it's like they are carrying the brand of Jet King along. So they have to be there with the organization at least for a minimum period of 1 year. Because even for them, career-wise, it's not good, because like they are joining an organization, they are leaving without completing 1 year. So obviously, anywhere they go, the first question would be asked is like, why did you leave? And if they say, okay, salary or whatever the issues, everything was discussed beforehand and then you join, right? So it's always transparency between the candidate and between the company. So that's one thing that where Jet King has to take care of.
What are your expectations from the students?
With respect to students, I mean, like, what, communication or what?
Communication skills, their hardware networking skills.
Hardware networking skills, yes, because you are having like a 12 months course, so obviously they are like getting acquainted towards the systems a lot. But yes, communication is one part like where I'm expecting a lot, because like these people are gonna join the company and they're gonna interact with the professionals day in and day out. If there is any kind of problem, the person will be just calling up and saying, okay, this is my problem. So the person should be able to understand what the problem is. Not everybody would be comprehending in like Hindi or English or the regional language.